All right, y'all, today is right up my alley with a girly Christmas cake. We're going to have cute little Christmas trees with a snowy finish on our cake, and it'll be perfect for any little girl at heart to do. So follow along. To start, I am gonna make our Christmas trees for the top with my chocolate. But if you do not already have one of the Wilton chocolate melting pots, I'm telling you, you are wasting your time. It took me, I got these this week, guys, and I have wasted time. Like, get these now. But to start, I have some piping bags and a glass with my melted chocolate. And then I will go ahead and do it with my darker green. And then I am just gonna cut a very small tip off the end of my piping bag. And then I just have a tray of pretzels laid out. So I will start at the top of one of my pretzels with some chocolate, and I'm gonna go back and forth. And then once I've piped that on, I will go back just with some sprinkles while it's still wet. And then this is pretty warm, so if you need just a towel or anything in between your hands, that's what I'm gonna use. And then these will end up being the perfect little topper on top of our snowy cake. I have finished all of my Christmas trees, so I am gonna set these aside to dry while I finish off, my cake. Now I have my 6-inch cake that I have crumb coated with just a bit thicker of a layer of buttercream. I will take my piece of parchment paper that I've cut out, and I will actually show you how I did this. So I just folded a piece of parchment paper many times, and then you can lay it in the middle and see how far to cut out. So this needs to be cut down just a little bit, so I can shave off a little bit. And then when you unfold it, you have a nice circle. My coconut over, and I'm just gonna roll this. So I'll lay my cake in the coconut and roll it away. Going back over it a few times just to make sure it's good and coated. I can peel up my parchment paper and cover the top in some coconut as well. And then you can kind of see through this just a little bit like a naked cake. So I left it a little bit so it'd be kind of like a little dirt. Now let's make this look super girly and super Christmassy. I'm gonna take some of my coconut, just putting it along the sides of my cake, just as a border between my cake and my cake board. Now I will pick a front of my cake, so I'm gonna choose kind of right here, and I will start with my tallest trees first, just gently picking them up off of my board. And it's okay if some stick, they're not gonna be perfect, but that's what makes them cute. But the nice thing about this is the pretzels just stick right in to the cake. My top is finished, but I want to add like 2 little trees in the front. So I am going to take a little bit of buttercream and put some on the back of my tree, as well as a little bit on my cake too. Here it is. I think it turned out adorable. We have soft colors that's not too bright and super sweet, all for a girly Christmas cake. I think it turned out adorable. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to ring the bell so you get notifications when cute videos like this post. And while you're down there, subscribe and like this video so we can change the world one cake at a time. Bye.